Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn one of the fundamental concepts of Python programming called data types. Understanding data types is crucial because it helps to organize and manipulate data effectively in programs. So let's get started. What are data types? Data types are the classifications that specify what kind of value a variable holds. Let's explore some common data types in Python. The first one is numeric data types, which includes integers, floating point numbers, and complex numbers. The second one is sequence data types that includes list, tuples, ranges, and strings. The third one is called mappings and set, which has dictionaries, sets, and frozen sets. The last one is specialized data types that has boolean, none, and ellipsis. If you want to know more about Python concepts and learn how to code, join our online Python training and unlock the full potential of this versatile programming language. With hands-on projects, coding exercises, assignments and assessments, you will gain practical experience and become job ready. Don't miss this opportunity to become a Python pro. Visit our website and sign up for our online Python training.